Messages in iOS 26 is more powerful than ever and includes one feature that could finally make WhatsApp users jealous. Here's everything new in Messages in iOS 26. 1. Group polls. Finally, no more endless back and forths about dinner plans. And solving one of the biggest frustrations with Messages is number 2. Typing indicators on group chains. Now you'll know if 3 people are writing at once. Number 3 is huge if you're coming from WhatsApp. Backgrounds in chats. Love them or hate them, but at least now your chat won't look so boring. 4. Send and receive Apple Pay in group chats. Perfect for settling a restaurant tab with your friends. 5. More easily add new contacts from group chats, so you can finally put a name to the newbie on your neighborhood chat. 6 solves another huge frustration. You can now copy just a portion of text within a message instead of the whole bubble. 7. Messages from unknown senders now show up in an unknown senders folder, so you can keep your unreads free of spam. 8. Now you can search using natural language to more easily find what you're looking for. Next, and the one that really surprised me, it's something WhatsApp doesn't even have. 9. Messages will be able to translate a conversation in real time, making it easier to connect with friends from all around the world. Will these new features be enough to get you to move from WhatsApp to Messages this year? Let me know in the comments below.